if what we're doing right now or thinking of doing is what we're meant to do? Would we approach everything differently? Would we stop stressing about metrics and progress and just enjoy the moments? I think it's easier said than done, like most things in life. We think we're making progress by trying to control the outcome, but the truth is, we can't control the outcome. We can only control what we do in hopes that it will influence the outcome. So the real question is, are we really doing what we want to do? I read something earlier that I wanted to share, and I feel like a lot more people need to hear this. So, here it goes. Don't give up before you try. Defeat is particularly lethal early on in any journey. Don't let it be your compass. I read it in my book, Opium and Absinthe, and I highlighted it because that is such a good reminder for everyone, even myself, that early on in our journeys, we automatically think that, oh, this is not going to work, and we find all the reasons that it's not going to work. But we can't allow that to shape how we move forward because we never know how something is going to turn out. And if we don't try and try as best as we can, we won't know how that will work out. So don't let defeat or the mentality of defeat be the compass to your journey. Lately, I've been feeling like what I've been doing or all my efforts with everything is pointless. And it kind of sucks to feel that way because it's annoying, honestly, because I know I'm doing what I love. And at the same time, it's like, am I wasting my time? What am I really doing? Why am I even doing this? And all of these questions come about sometimes, and it's just like, I know the answer to this. I love doing this. I love creating art. I love showing the things that I see. I love the story behind it and all that. And I have to remind myself very often that that is literally the reason why I keep doing this over and over and over again. And it's the reason that I will continue to do this over and over and over again. It's the love of it. And sometimes I lose sight of that. Very often I lose sight of that. It happens because I get caught up in the metrics and in the feedback or the lack of feedback sometimes, and it's like I'm just going blindly here, but I'm following the feeling that, hey, this is what I'm supposed to be doing. That has been kind of a heavy feeling this week, where I just feel like nothing I'm doing is worth it. And I know that's an insane way to look at this, because a few months from now, a few years from now, everything is going to be completely different, and I'm probably going to have my mind completely blown by all of it. So I have to keep my mind on that part of it and just enjoy the everyday moments of life and what I choose to capture, what I'm doing and what I choose to create. Wow. So I'm sitting in a Walmart parking lot, and there's a car that just drove past, and the entire front end is like smashed. Just, wow. Anyways, to get back on topic here, I know I'm being too hard on myself. I know it. But it's like, to stop being hard on myself, what do I do? That's the part that I need to figure out a lot more and remind myself a lot more, because most of the times, to stop second guessing myself, all I have to do is just keep creating. That's literally the key to everything. That when I question everything, it's just keep creating. Keep creating. Just keep creating. There was rain this week, and I was so happy to feel the rain. Or not feel the rain. Well, yes, I was in it for a bit. But to hear the rain, I was thinking, oh, hey, it's such a contrast from all the snow and everything. And then I'm looking outside and there's snow on the ground. So I guess I'm right back into the snow. I don't mind, because life is an adventure and I'm just here for the ride. So that's what I have to remind myself. Everything works out how it's supposed to. And if it doesn't feel right, I'm not going to do it. So if I just keep following that feeling that tells me, hey, you should be doing this, I'll be all right. Ew, that was so disgusting. Ugh, wish I did without that. Thank goodness for the cashew. Take the damn taste out my mouth. That's disgusting. What am I even doing? Is this even all worth it? I guess I won't know the true answer to the second question until things start to manifest. But the first question, I can answer. I'm doing what I love. I'm sharing my version of reality with you. Who needs a little reminder that life can be lived any way you desire? You just have to be brave enough to go for it. It's okay to doubt yourself along the way, because the path you're walking has never been explored exactly how you're doing it. The cheat code to your version of success is to never give up. Never stop moving forward, getting better, and wanting more. That's all we can control. So let's just focus on that. Love, Jody. Oh, the cap is on.